Allegiance Educare, your career, our guidance, your choice. There's a counseling deficit in the education sector. 14 lakh career counselors are required to meet the demand. In India, there are 1 lakh career counselors for 315 million students, whereas in US, there are 2.6 million career counselors for 56 million students. In an attempt to scale career counseling across the country, Allegiance Educare has developed products for career counseling professionals like the Mentor Program, Career Counseling Certification, White Label, Test Codes and Test Templates. There is a great market opportunity in India for career counseling. 500 million population in the age bracket of 5 to 24 is the target of career counseling. 5,000 crore rupees is the estimated market size of career counseling in India as per KPMG, Ernst Young and Ministry of HR Department report. There is a shortage of 1.4 million career counselors to maintain the globally accepted student counselor ratio. A platform to solve India's present and future career guidance needs. With the help of career assessment test, face-to-face counseling and tools like Career Bank, Career Tour, etc. Allegiance Educare has guided more than 5,000 students till now. Founded in 2014, it is headquartered in Mumbai and has an experience of more than 6 years in the career counseling industry. It has more than 200 mentors across India, presence in more than 30 cities across India. Our association and affiliation with Asia Pacific Career Development Association, International Association of Applied Psychology, and Global Career Development Association. Let's take a look at our products specially designed for career counseling professionals. Career Counseling Certification. This is a knowledge-based certification to build a foundation of career counseling theory. This is an offline program for Rs 5,000 and 5 modules. You can complete studying these modules anytime within 1 month, followed by a 1-hour MCQ test. The eligibility is minimum graduate. After successful completion of the certification, job placement assistance is also provided. The online career counseling certification course module consists of 5 modules. The first one, which is Introduction to Career Counseling, the second, Psychological Testing, third, Career Roadmap, fourth, Essentials for a Career Counselor, fifth, Handling Career Conflicts. The duration for all these modules is approximately 8 hours. The Mentor Program is designed for career counseling professionals who have already done some certification course or degree in career counseling. It is a short, offline training program for a lifetime subscription fee of Rs 1,000 and can be completed in a day's time. Includes couple of training manuals followed by a 15-minute mentor test. This program is designed to prepare mentors for live counselings with the help of Allegiance Educare report. The Mentor Program consists of a course module followed by a mentor counseling manual, pre-aptitude test, report explanatory video, sample career report reading, mentor workbook and a hand-holding session which has a duration of approximately 8 hours. After the completion of the Mentor Program, you get a dedicated Mentor test referral link to share with mentor referrals with payment gateway directly integrated to the Mentor bank account. Access to Mentor dashboard with features like student test tracker, leads, referral point system and more. The Mentor profile goes live on the website for students to select their desired mentor for counseling. Let's take a look at what our mentors have to say.
The anecdote has been very good. So far, good amount of students and plus the quantum of the quality students. See, the career counseling base is for the students who really want to understand where do they want to grow. This helps them to get a play-based understanding how they are going to move ahead in their life. This also gives you an understanding with your clear concepts of your own personality, of your own interests, and and your career path. There is a need for accounting to be done.
I have registered as a mentor with Elegance Educare from last 2 months and I have received decent number of counselings till now. The report not only shows you the recommended careers but also shows the sustainability of student for their aspired career. Considering the lifetime access of the program for just 1000 rupees and increasing demand of career counseling in the market, this is totally worth your time. The new dashboard has features like student leads, student referrals, student test and test tracker as well. If you do not have degree in career counseling or counseling, you can go for certification in career counseling and a mentor program with Elegance Educare. It will definitely help you to be an excellent career counselor. So working with an Elegance Educare has been a great platform to help students who are in dilemma. This is the best platform student could opt for with very smooth backend functioning and coordination, which brings career counselor like us closer to the students in need.
White Label is an editable portal for a ready-to-start career counseling brand, saving the time, money and hassle of development. A subdomain is created under the White Label's desired name. The whole Allegiance Educare website is generated as it is under the White Label brand, including the content, test, automated report, mentor database, payment gateway, etc. The lifetime cost of White Label is Rs 25,000 with top-up plans for tests and mentor packages. Access to White Label dashboard with features like student test tracker, leads, referral point system, editable portal to edit your website, that is your logo, slider images, banners, ad pages, etc. are all the features which are provided to the White Label. The career counseling template, which is a one-time fee of Rs 15,000, is specially designed for those who want their own website to be installed on their own server. This is a lifetime customized career counseling template with features like blogs, forums, career bank, mentor listing, institutes listing, our proprietary technology, which is the Advanced Career Assessment Test Engine plugin, along with other career counseling tools. Test Code, which is a one-time integration charge of Rs 5,000, is specially designed for existing businesses and are looking to integrate the Advanced Career Assessment Test Engine plugin in their existing website. Let's take a look at what one of our White Labels has to say.
Hi, this is Jeeva Sundar, founder of Ojas Mentors, based out of Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I have been using White Label since 2016 and extremely satisfied with the portal and subdomain. It is a ready-made career counseling portal under our own brand. It's also easy to edit the portal pages, contact details, and comfortable to download auto-generated reports with our own logo and contact details. The multiple revenue generation through career assessment test and mentor program is available. The team is highly professional and available for assistance at any time. The White Label features are good and is constantly updated on weekly basis. This new White Label portal with student test tracker, lead tracker and accurate report is a good opportunity for revenue generation with career counseling certification. Consulting on marketing has made my career counseling business even more effective. Thank you.